right now we're up top one of these big furnaces. There's Randy. These are the burner tubes with the mixture of natural gas or methane and oxygen. Got to get the proper mixture. And then these right here are your spark plugs, so to speak. Provides the spark. If you look down in here, should I position this just right, you can actually see the flame down in there. Cool stuff. There's 10 of these, and when they're all working perfectly together, they'll heat this thing up to 1800 degrees. Yep. Oh, check that out. Yep. That's cool. I love that. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.